computer.
A lot of shitty work, like reading.
Morning!
What do we do at the airport of Sunshine Coast?
I think we're gonna fly to Bali. No, we're gonna skydive.
You're gonna skydive. The weather today is a little bit better than on your birthday, I would say.
Perfect. Perfect weather conditions.
Yeah.
Warm, blue sky, bright. Yes, great. Really great. 1,000 feet or 15,000?
15,000 it is?
15,000 all the way up there, hey? So we're going to put you on our plane, take you way up in the sky, then we're going to open the door and throw you at the ground at 200 k's an hour.
We trust you guys.
Yeah, you better. You don't have much choice right now, huh?
Right.
No, high pressure.
That's it. You guys ready?
You're ready.
Definitely.
Awesome. Then let's head to the plane, we're going to have some fun. Yeah, nice one, guys. Very well done.
Whoa!
You nailed it.
That was so cool! Ah! Yeah!
Good job.
Woo-hoo!
There, my friend.
Thank you!
Welcome to Sky.
So cool!
Good job. So, just jumped out of a plane, mate. What did you think?
Well, you can see my smile.
Definitely.
Heartbeat is like this.
Yep.
So good.
So what was
So
your favourite part?
Just the jump.
Just the jump?
And falling down and freedom.
There's nothing like it, hey?
Love it.
Would you do it again?
Definitely.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Welcome to skydiving. Thanks for jumping with us here at Skydive Australia Noosa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, buddy. Nice work, man.
Well, great.
Woo!
Epic.
Beautiful, guys.
How was your first skydive?
Epic, fantastic, memorable, fantastic.
You enjoyed it?
So cool. I want to do it again. I definitely want to do it again. And I was super relaxed, super calm. Yes.
We just bought a shitload of veggies for only 10 bucks, which is 6 euros.
What do we got in stock now?
For 10 bucks. We have, what was the name, by the way?
Bok choy.
Bok choy. We got like all these carrots. We got 2 huge zucchinis. We got a whole cauliflower thing. We got 3 bananas, and we got even 3 avocados. And what's that? 3
Hello.
green apples.
If you are one time in Wndrflw,
Close to Sunshine Coast.
close to Sunshine Coast, go to the fruit factory. Nice, 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 nice.
Well, what is the most important thing to do on regular basis to ensure that the car doesn't break down?
Oil check.
We have to check the oil every 2 weeks. because the engine is not in the front but under the seat, and so it's always a little bit difficult to check the oil. So we always have to get the fridge out, put it on the driver's seat. 20 liters of gas. Here's the engine.
I think we should add a little bit oil. It's here, can be here.
Yeah, we definitely have to add oil. In Australia the store names are pretty straightforward. When you need cheap motor oil, you just go to a store which is called Super Cheap Auto.
Yeah.
That's where we're heading now to get some oil.
Super cheap outdoor. What do we got?
5 liters of 10W40 for $32. Be fun. Fancy?
Yeah, otherwise you don't see anything.
Well, I'm filling the oil. All is in.
All is in.
My beacon is dirty.
Good is dirty.
Close it. Good job.
Thank you. Ah.
Nice parking spot. Parking spot lunch.
Thank you. Bye.
Where are we now?
Murphy's. Then Murphy's. We start working on Monday, so we can afford a...
I thought we wouldn't work until January. Are we broke?
No, we're not broke, but we have too much time.
Too much time? Okay, what are we going to work for?
The garden nursery.
Alright,
Yes.
sounds good. So you work and
Exactly for me.
you work and I go surfing?
No, you're also gonna work.
What kind of wine to buy now? Our first Christmas groceries are done.
Yes, it is done. And we have already Christmas glasses.
That's an historic moment. Since Rian is now 25, we could also add her on the car insurance without paying way more. And yeah, let's see if our van will survive this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Honey, parking brake. One-way street.
Yeah. You cannot do that.
It's going great so far. No, good job, good job.
I was planning to go in between.
In between, okay, then go. Well, it's going good, great. Still alive.
Fuck you.
Good morning. We camped at this beautiful river. I'm preparing some coffee. Rian is doing some stretches. Where do we go today?
The Glasshouse Mountains.
Oh, cool.
We'll bring a drone. And what we will do over there, 2 days of freedom, 3 weeks of working.
Right.
Tim and I are gonna work in a garden nursery. We will celebrate Christmas and New Year's Eve in Sydney. I want to arrive in Sydney like during Christmas. And from here to Sydney it's not that far actually. We checked what we could do during the trip. And 4 or 5 weeks is definitely enough. So what we're gonna do is working for 3 weeks in the garden nursery and then travel on again.
And today, Glasshouse Mountains.
Yes.
Breakfast served at the beach. It's time for another hike.
Hike, hike, hike.
Okay. Where are we then?
We are in the Glasshouse Mountains National Park. Over here I think 8 or 12 peaks which you can walk up. Pretty like actually low summits but really steep, and the view will be terrific over there.
Okay.
We will see.
Good one.
not too bad.
We reached the top.
Nice.
Can we get any higher than this?
Yeah. We can go there.
No, I mean like they do?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, let's fly.
And
And we are on our way down, all the way down.
how you feeling?
Warm.
Warm? Yeah?
We made it back down. It was a nice hike. And now some water.
Tim, what do we got over here?
It's some nice cold white wine, some chips, and a mini version of Monopoly. Oops. You can sell undeveloped street stations and utilities to another player for a price you both agree on.
But that's far away. I want to know what the start capital is. I'm pretty broke right now. My street. 26. I'm not gonna buy that one. Your turn. Good morning. Tim and I are up and running. Yes, run baby run. Thanks mom for the t-shirt. To go to head to work. And it's 6:30 in the morning and we start to work. It's the first day, so we think we cannot record anything during working. But afterwards we will tell you whether we like it and our opinions about it. So Tim, are you ready?
We're ready to work.
What do you think? Working?
Yeah, we worked 2 days now.
Our views
a lot of shitty work, like weeding, so that the good palm trees can grow. It's a huge farm, and it's freaking hot at the moment. It's 35 degrees over here. Yeah, it's pretty intense. Today was a little bit better. We could do some
potting in paradise.
Potting, and that's just like you put the plants in the pots and just put some stuff on it and it's finished. So it's easy peasy work actually.
Easy peasy.
But yeah, I think it's okay for 3 weeks. Couldn't do it any longer, I guess. It's yeah, it's okay. But
Tim loves the job, as you can see. He loves it.
But I'm looking forward to the weekend, yeah? And looking forward to finish working and to keep on traveling the coast and to spend Christmas and New Year's Eve in Sydney.
Whoop whoop.